Hi guys, it's Miss Tish, and I'm at home just like you guys. I miss seeing you every week at the library, so I thought I would share some stories on video for us. We're going to start just like we do at the library with our hello song. So my regulars know that we sing with our hands as well as our voices because some of our friends listen with their eyes instead of their ears. And our hello song goes, hello friends, hello friends, hello friends. It's time for story time. So remember, the words are hello, friends, time, and story time. Sing it with me this time. Hello, friends. Hello, friends. Hello, friends. It's time for story time. Good job. I picked out 2 books with a repeating refrain this time. So I want you guys, when you recognize the words, to say them with me. The first one I have is Bear Snores On. Whoops. Almost dropped the book that time. We're almost out of winter, but I thought we'd read one more winter story, and it is one of my favorites. In a cave in the woods, in his deep dark lair, through a long cold winter, sleeps a great brown bear. Cuddled in a heap, with his eyes tight shut, he sleeps through the day, and he sleeps through the night. The cold wind howls, and the night winds growl, but Bear snores on. An itty-bitty mouse, pitter-pat, tiptoe, crawls in the cave from the fluff-cold snow. Mouse squeaks, too damp, too dark, too dank. So he lights wee twigs with a small hot spark. The coals pip-pop and the wind doesn't stop, but Bear snores on. Yep, those are the words that are going to repeat. 2 glowing eyes sneak peek in the den. Mouse cries, "Who's there?" And Hare pops in. "Ha, Mouse," says Hare. "A long time no see. Hey, pop white corn, and they drink black tea." Mouse sips wee slurps. Hare burps big burps. Excuse me. But Bear snores on. A badger scuttles by, snuffs in the air. "I smell yummy yums. Perhaps we can share." "I've brought honey nuts," Badger says with a grin. "Let's divvy them up, cozy down and dig in." They nibble and they munch with a chew-chomp crunch, but Bear snores on. A gopher and a mole tunnel up through the floor. Then a wren and a raven flutter in through the door. The mole mutters, "What a night! What a storm!" twitters wren. And everybody clusters in the great bear's den. They tweet and they titter, they chat and they chitter, but the bear snores on. In a cave in the woods, a slumbering bear sleeps through the party in his very own lair. Hare stokes the fire, Mouse seasons stew, then a small pepper flake makes the bear achoo! He blows and he sneezes and the whole crowd freezes. And Bear wakes up. He gnarls and he snarls. Bear roars and he rumbles. Bear jumps and he stomps. Bear grumbles and he growls and he grumbles. "You snuck in my lair and you've all had fun. But me, I was sleeping and I've had none." And he whimpers and he moans. He wails and he groans. And the bear blubbers on. Mouse squeaks, "Don't fret, don't fuss. Look, see, we can pop more corn. We can brew more tea." Bear gulps, Bear gobbles. He sighs with delight. Then he spins tall tales through the blustery night. When the sun peeks up On a crisp, clear dawn, Bear can't sleep, but his friends snore on. I like that one a lot. There are a lot of other bear books by Karma Wilson if you like this one. The other book I thought I would share with you guys is one that most of you probably know. Chicka Chicka Boom Boom by Bill Martin Jr. I want you guys to read along or even maybe sing along with this one, because it's almost impossible to read this book without kind of singing it. And I know all of you know your letters of the ABCs, so you know the order. A told B and B told C, I'll meet you at the top of the coconut tree. We, said D and E, F, G, I'll beat you to the top of the coconut tree. Chicka chicka boom boom, will there be enough room? Here comes H up the coconut tree. And I and J and tag along K, all on their way up the coconut tree. Chicka chicka boom boom, will there be enough room? Look who's coming! L-M-N-O-P! And Q-R-S and T-U-V. Still more! W and X-Y-Z. The whole alphabet up the... Uh-oh. Chicka chicka boom boom. Skit scat scoodle doo flip flop flee. Everyone's running to the coconut tree. Mamas and papas and uncles and aunts hug their little dears, then dust their pants. Help us up, cry ABC. Next from the pile up, skinny D and stubbed toe E and patched up F. Then comes G, all out of breath. Do you guys know which one's next? H is tangled up with I. J and K are about to cry. L is knotted like a tie. M is looped and N is stooped. O is twisted all alley-oop. Skit scat scoodle doo, flip flop flee. What comes after O? Look who's coming! It's black-eyed P, Q-R-S, and loose-toothed T. Then U-V-W, wiggle jiggle free. Last to come, X-Y-Z, and the sun goes down on the coconut tree. But chicka chicka boom boom, look, there's a full moon. A is out of bed, and this is what he said. Dare, double dare, you can't catch me. I'll beat you to the top of the coconut tree. Chicka chicka boom boom. There's obviously not enough room for the whole alphabet up the coconut tree. But that one is one of my favorites, and I love Bill Martin Jr.'s artwork. If you like this one, you can try Chicka Chicka Boom Boom 1, 2, 3 to practice your counting. Alright guys, can you stretch out your fingers for me? Shall we do... What song should we do today? Should we do 5 Little Ducklings? We'll practice our counting. 5 little ducklings went out to play over the hill and far away. Mama Duck called with a quack, 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 and only 4 little ducklings came back. 4 little ducklings went out to play one bright and sunny day over hill and far away. Mama Duck called with a quack, 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 and only 3 little ducks came back. 3 little ducks went out to play over the hill and far away. Mama Duck called with a quack, 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 and only how many? 2! Only 2 little ducklings came back. 2 little ducklings went out to play over the hill and far away. Mama called with a quack, 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 and only 1 little duckling came back. 1 little duckling went out to play over the hill and far away. Mama Duck called with a quack, 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 but no little ducklings came back. Do you guys know what happens next? Daddy duck calls with a quack, 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 and 5 little ducklings come back. Good job. What else? Should we try since we practiced our alphabet in Chicka Chicka Boom Boom, do you guys want to try your alphabet? All right. I'm going to try to do mine with my hands too. We'll see if I remember all my letters. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, and Z. Now I know my ABCs. Next time, won't you count with me? I'm going to have to practice on some of my letters. I think I messed up a few in the middle. I'll see you guys next time. Bye for now.